also or central bank?
Sir, Ritik or Rohan or Rohit?
Rohan.
Yes, sir. I am also there for PNB.
PNB, you were there. Correct. How do you rate your chances of success in PNB?
Like 95%.
Acha, good. Which question
Like
could you
for
not answer?
5%,
Which question you could not
like I
answer
have
to
not
your satisfaction?
like simple questions are there. Like what is ITR? Like I said, I know the concept of ITR, but I never worked on it. Like income tax return is there, so they asked me, "You have never filled the ITR?" So I
Hmm.
said no. That is the one question. And one question they have asked after the rapid fire, like they are asking about the loans, and they directly asked me like, what is diversification of loan? So
Hmm.
I'm getting the answer like डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ लोन इज लाइक हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं लोन का डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऐसा कैसे बोल दूं इसलिए मैंने उसका आंसर नहीं किया सर मुझे मतलब याद नहीं आ रहा ऐसे बोल दिया सीधा मैंने वहां पे
अच्छा,
बाकी तो कुछ नहीं था बाकी और एक
डाइवर्सिफिकेशन। अच्छा, और दूसरा क्वेश्चन?
दूसरा क्वेश्चन यही था सर मतलब वो आईटीआर का बस बाकी तो मतलब बाकी सब टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस मैंने आंसर कर दिए थे और जो भी केस स्टडी दिया था मुझे वो भी आंसर कर दिया था अच्छे से
What was the case study they gave you?
like they have given a criteria like one of the panel members they have elected like these sir want loan for their business so how will you fund them so I have suggested like they have the and they have keep a term like condition they have kept like they have bad financials so I told them like we will provide them the Mudra loan so we will get the security instead of this so government security. So they said you have to fund 25 lakhs rupees up to 25 lakhs rupees. So I said we will take some collateral from him. So they said they don't have collateral. So I said we can do the stock audit for the same. Like we can see the business and we will do the stock audit. So they said what is stock audit and who does the stock audit? So I said basically CA goes for the stock audit for checking the stock in the business. So they said CA doesn't go, the credit officer will go. You only go there. So I was not aware about it. Like in KPMG, where I was working, the CAs are only going. So I answered according to that and debated with the senior. Like in KPMG, the CA is going. So he's repeating the concept like you are only going. And I was not aware because the PNB policies are like that. If loan is below 5 crore, the credit officer will be going for stock audit.
Exactly. Above 5
So
crores, chartered accountant will go. Yeah.
So I was not aware of it. Then I said, like in KPMG, the CAs are only going. We don't have the like we are not going for audit. That way I ended the conversation for the case study.
Mhm. See, for that question, where they say here is a Mr. X who is there, he is
No.
he has got no security to offer. His records are bad.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Will you consider granting finance? Why did you not say I will not grant finance? Why? Where is the need that you have to go on be giving finance? Because he wants 25 lakhs. His records of CIBIL score is low and his market report is bad. Why? Where is the need for us to make finance for him?
No, sir. They are asking for the alternatives that we can finance. Like for which alternative we can finance them. Like in the current year, their financials are not good. In the prior year, it can be good.
The
So they
future
have
year.
not taken, like
In the future, it may be good. Oh,
it may be good.
if
So it
for that you have to say we have to see the projections they have made, and if
okay.
we are satisfied with the projections they have made, they result in profit in future years, and we are convinced of the same, we can consider finance.
Okay, sir. I have told them
Otherwise, yeah.
like we will first check the reason why they have not generated the like their financial are affected. Then
Hmm.
only I have started the answer, like
See,
answering like this.
actually, it is
It is good.
because diversification आपने properly answer नहीं दिया.
Hmm.
Diversification is a situation where a borrower misuses the funds. The funds you give for working capital is putting for fixed assets. The funds that you are giving to A company is diverting it to his subsidiary company B. The you gave finance for purchase of machinery and other fixed assets instead of building a house and all. Instead of building a property, he is repaying some old loans. So this is known as diversification. Or he again lends it to somebody else at a higher rate, interest rate, for making gain. Or he invests that money in share capital, some other stock exchange. All this will come under diversification.
Sir, they asked me diversification of loan according to bank's perspective. Like we are not
Ah,
putting all the loans in specific sector. Like we can distribute the loans in the various sectors to minimize the risk of
yeah,
NPAs.
yeah, yeah.
In that way, they asked. Like this question was asked after the case study.
Mhm. Very good. No problem. So very nice. But you have answered confidently. That may
Yes,
get
sir.
you more marks. I am happy. Now, say in the case of term loan, what are the documents we will verify?
So in term loan, basically, we will see the first what is the purpose of the borrower for which he is taking the loan, and after that we will check the tenure for which he is taking the loan. Like it can be a short-term loan or long-term loan. And after that, if the purpose is for good, we will check its if a company is coming, we will check the financial statements, and if an individual is coming, we will check the CIBIL score for that. And after checking all the KYC and due diligence, we can check the capacity, collateral, condition, and capacity, collateral, condition, character, which shows the credit worthiness of the borrower. Like the five C's, we will check. And after checking the five C's, we can disburse the loan if he satisfies all the conditions.
You did not tell about quotations for machinery or equipment, income tax return, previous bank statements, then business registration or licenses. सब भी बोलना है. Then
Okay, sir.
projections they have given, you should go through. Then you can also
Mm-hmm.
tell about technical economic viability report, TEV, technical
Okay.
technical economic viability report. ये रॉ मटेरियल यूज करके ये डालने से ये करेक्ट आएगा, दैट इज टेक्निकल. ये रॉ मटेरियल इतना रुपया में परचेज करके ये यूज करके प्रोड्यूस करने से तो बिक्री करने से इतना रुपया में बिक्री होगा, ये इकोनॉमिकली वायबल होता है, ये सब देखना पड़ेगा. And other point like whether it is a legal business, that and all you told correctly. Very good. And after the sanction is made, we should conduct periodic reviews. We should make utilization of funds is tracked to ensure they are used for the stated purpose. Then a repayment behavior to be monitored, like that. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question. Can you explain the concept of goodwill? How will you explain goodwill to me with
I
figures?
like good. I like goodwill incurs if any like we can explain this term by an example. Like goodwill is an intangible asset for the business. So basically, if A is running the business and a B company acquires the A company, so the extra amount which B company will pay for the A's capital, like it is for 1 crore, and he has paid 1 crore 50 lakhs. So the extra amount which is paid 50 lakhs, that will be the goodwill for the company. Like he has paid the company extra value for his name, which is using for the further use for acquiring the business, for running the
Ve-
business.
Very nice, but the explanation that he is paying over and above the asset value.
Okay.
That is the important point there. The assets are valued, and after assets valuation, if it comes out, it is valued 1 crore. But he is giving 1 crore 50 lakhs. The 50 lakhs that he is paying is the goodwill for the company. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
don't give 50% like that, Baba. Give some other figure. Tell
Okay.
four, tell 4 crores and maybe 50 lakhs like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Not that what you said was wrong, but still, what are the circumstances in which a company may skip a dividend?
Like in some cases, if a business has not generated the income for the current year, like they have not generated the more profit in the current year, so they can skip the dividend. And if accumulated, like it is bifurcated, it is accumulated and non-accumulated. If it is accumulated, it will be carry forwarded. So it will be not a loss for the dividend holder, like shareholders, preference holder. And also, in case of if a business is going to expand its operations in various like activities, so in that case, the company can retain the dividend and use it for the capital generation of the business.
Correct. I think you told debt obligation. That point you did not tell. If there are extra debt obligations which the company has to pay, they will not distribute. You covered non-profit, then you covered reinvesting, but you did not tell about cash flow issues. That is, the business could be facing financial strain or uncertain market conditions. It doesn't matter. Now, how will you explain future value and present value?
Present value we can explain like that only by dividing the current value by the rate of interest which they are going to uh, extend the value. Like we can say the present value is the current value of the currency of the future cash outflows. And future value we can elaborate like that. अगर हमारे पास 100 रुपीज है तो फ्यूचर में उसका वैल्यू क्या रहेगा, वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू रहेगा। मतलब 10% अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चल रहा है तो 5 इयर्स के बाद उसका वैल्यू क्या रहेगा, वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू है, हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे।
करेक्ट। इधर में कुछ दिया है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू फॉलो इट. Whether some dollar and all they have used, whether it is correct, I don't know. See this one.
Okay, and that is for stabilizing the formula, I think.
Let us, shall we check up in Google? Shall we try? Just a minute. Or I will ask in this one, Perplexity.
Okay.
Banks, present value and future value definitions with examples. बाप रे बाप, तो बहुत बड़ा लगता है.
So that topic is too big.
It's a
Like
very tough topic, Baba. Anyhow, doesn't matter. We will see what it tells. Yeah. Can you read it now? Present value.
Yes, a present value is current worth of a future sum of money discounted back to today using an expected rate of return. The concept is based on the time value of money. A rupee today is worth more than the same rupee in the future due to its earning potential. Uh, Formula for that, present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus rate of interest divided by number of years. So example, in Indian banking, suppose you need
No,
1 lakh.
ये पढ़ो ना. बिना पढ़ने से कैसे काम चलेगा?
I read the whole formula, sir, like present value
PB
divided by 1.
PB is equal
Present
to
PV is equal to future value divided by 1 plus a rate of interest upon number of years, like number
very,
of periods.
very good. Continue.
Okay. Example, suppose you need 1 lakh for 5 years from now and expect an investment of rate of return of 8% per annum. So present value will be 1 lakh divided by 1 plus 0.08 upon number of years of 5 years is equal to 68,058. 68,058 will be the value for that 1 lakh rupees in current scenario, which we are going to pay after 5 years.
Hmm.
Uh,
So this means you need to invest 68,058 today at 8% annual interest to have 1 lakh after 5 years.
yes.
Applications in Indian banks, it is used in loan amortization in order to calculate EMI payments. It is used in bond valuation. It is used in project appraisal. Future value definition. Future value is the worth of a current sum of money at a specific future date, assuming a certain interest rate and number of compounding periods. It shows how much your investments or savings will grow over time. FV is equal to PV into 1 plus R to the power of N. FV is equal to future value, PV is equal to present value, R is equal to interest rate, N is equal to number of periods. If you invest 1 lakh today for 5 years at 8% compounded annually, FV is equal to future value is equal to 1 lakh into 1 plus 0.08 into power of 5 is equal to 1,46,933. So your 1 lakh will grow to 1,46,933 in 5 years. Fixed deposit calculation, recurring deposit. Yeah, key takeaways. Present value lets you know how much to invest now to achieve future goal. Future value helps you estimate what your savings investment will be worth later. Both concepts underpin India's banking products like loans, savings, bonds, and capital budgeting decisions. Thank you. I am giving this link in our WhatsApp group. I have not given this all these days. Today I am giving FV, PV. Okay, good. Now, next question. Tell me about various loans that UBI is giving and explain about any one scheme elaborately.
So basically, UBI is providing some different kind of loan, which can be categorized into two categories, like secured loan and unsecured loan. In secured loan, we can say vehicle loan, gold loan, property loan, like housing loan. And in unsecured loan, we are giving personal loans and cash credit card facilities. So talking about the like schemes which are offered by Union Bank of India, there is a Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana is run by run by Union Bank of India, which gives a good rate of interest of 8.1% for the betterment of the future of the girl child up to 0 to 10 years. The account can be opened in the banks for the girl child, and it is for the purpose of education and saving for the marriage expenses of the girl child. And limit for that is minimum you can deposit up to 250 rupees, and maximum can be deposited up to 1,50,000 per annum.
रोहित,
Rohan sir.
रोहन, क्या हो गया आपका?
Hmm?
Something wrong has happened in you. I asked loan schemes. You told
Okay.
correctly. You told correctly secured loan, unsecured loan, car loan, home loan, and all. Why did you land into Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana?
Okay, sorry sir. I can elaborate about the Mudra loan as
No. Tell me why you went into that.
so sir, I heard about the schemes only. I forgot to I didn't related it regarding the loans. So that's why I have elaborated separately the Sukanya Samruddhi
Is,
Yojana.
is it that you don't know any loan schemes fully?
No, sir, I know about it.
Which loan scheme you are thorough with?
Like I am aware about the Mudra loan.
Tell me about that.
So Mudra loan is micro unit development and refinance agency, which provides loan for the micro units like micro business enterprises, and it is categorized in four categories as per their needs, like Shishu, Kishore, Tarun, and Tarun Plus. In Shishu, we give up to 50,000 of loan. Above 50,000, we are giving into Kishore category 50,000 to 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs is categorized in Tarun category. If any borrower has paid the Tarun category loan, he can apply for the Tarun Plus category, which was introduced in 2024 recently.
Mm. Mm. This alone will not do. You must be able to tell some more details regarding what are the points you will check under Mudra loan. It is given in this material.
Okay, sir.
In that credit officer material, it is given.
Sir, I have one doubt. For assessing the Mudra loan, we can tell the general criteria also, right?
Mm.
We are analyzing the purpose amount and the credit worthiness of the borrower. That points we can include in that also, right?
Yeah. 1 minute. Here it is coming, you see. 1 minute. Mudra loan. Where is it? Stop sharing. Here it is. It is Godrej Capital. 1 minute, hold on.
Yes, sir.
Is your internet working?
Internet is working.
My internet isn't working.
Switch off and switch on.
No, I'm calling up, but I'm just asking.
No, you switch off and on.
I already tried.
Here I have given you a link in our WhatsApp group. Please go through that also thoroughly. Are you seeing now on the screen?
Yes, sir. I can see it.
थोड़ा और detail बताना है. Whatever you said is correct, but
Okay.
I expected that is okay, fine. I expected an answer from car loan or home loan where you can give definite details. Like in the case of car loan, we will ask for salary slips or income tax returns of the party. Then we will ask for salary statement for last 3 months. Then we will ask for bank statement for 6 months. Then we will take a pro forma invoice from the company. And after satisfying ourselves about the civil score and all, the loan will be granted by asking the party to fulfill all KYC formalities, remit the margin money into his savings account so that we can debit that amount account and pay the full amount. Say, for example, 85 rupees loan, we will give 15 rupees he will give as margin. So we will issue DD for 100 rupees favoring the car dealer along with the registration document so that the car will be registered in the name of the borrower with the name of the bank as hypothecatee. And we will pursue recovery of the loan every month and by asking him to give standing instruction from his salary account. So that's something like that you can speak. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you. Why have you not studied all these questions thoroughly?
So my health is not good nowadays. Like I have not practiced for several days, so that's why.
You are not practiced means you are not studied.
Like, I have not revised those concepts right now, so that's why.
Why? You are busy with
Sir,
what?
I'm suffering. No, no, I'm suffering from health issues. That's why.
I am very sorry. You are from which place? In Bombay?
I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Jalgaon.
ओहो ये वाला कागज में जो दिया है ये सबको थोड़ा एक बार पढ़ लीजिए ना.
Okay, sir.
बहुत कुछ है इस सब में. I am in fact not crossing 20 pages beyond that. इसका नीचे क्या है तो भगवान जाने क्या, बहुत कुछ है, आप पढ़ लीजिए. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. I have given you next interview date also for you.
No, sir, it is not given.
Not given. अरे भाई आपको इंटरव्यू 20 तारीख है ना.
हाँ, sir.
Then you want to take it on
18th.
18th 5:20 p.m. शाम को.
Okay, sir.
Your number starts with 83084.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So please, you please send a message to me. You are agreeing for 18th 5:20 p.m. plus. I mean interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I wish you take care of your health. Health is wealth, Baba.
Yes, sir.
What type of problem are you having? Cold, cough?
Like cold cough and fever, like continuous due to rain.
Rain?